Hello, I wanted to explain one scenario, not in scenario, uh, how it is behaved in case it has the null values in that column. Let's imagine that you wanted to filter the phone number which is not in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you wanted to normally imagine that we will place the query like that. So we can see other than this phone number. Let's try this. If you see that phone number having this 1, 2, 3 along with nulls and other phone numbers, if you see that. So if you filter out uh, phone numbers, so we should see that null along with these values. Let's see that what the results it's going to giving. See that it is giving the proper, but if you see that there is nothing any rows containing nulls, so we are missing some rows here, right? We are not seeing the null phone number having nulls. So by seeing that the statement, by seeing this statement looks okay, but when it's come to results giving a wrong result. So what is the problem here is that we have SQL Server having a three logics. SQL Server having three valued logic, that is true, false, or unknown. So when it's come to here, when it's comparing with the values in not in operator, but so it is going to check with the one by one row from this result from the table. So when it's comparing this value to this value, so it is not the same. So it is this query will return true. So this row will get added. But when it's come to here, so here it has the null value. But when not in trying to compare with null value, either it is not true or false. So it doesn't know what is the value of this. So so what Norton will do is it will reject this row also, because it doesn't know what is the value of this. So null is not comparable, even it's not comparable to itself. So it is unknown. So that's why not in operator simply ignore these values and return only the whichever having the values. So that is the limitation for not in operator when you are trying to use not in operator in SQL query. So what is the resolution for this? Let's try that example. So we can do it in two different ways. So one approach is this way. So we need to write our condition. So in our condition we can write like this: phone not in whatever we wanted to exclude. Our phone number is null. So if phone number having null, so we have to write our condition here. So it will evaluate these two conditions at a time, and it will show it 2894 rows. The another way and the approachable way is, we need to replace the null values with a different value, like not applicable. So in this case, it will first update the whatever the null values with this value, then it will apply the not in operator. In that case, all the values, there is no null values at all. After applying this, then it will evaluate this operation, so that it will get the proper result. So so whichever is suitable, we can apply. So this is 289 for result. So I hope we understand how, in case of while using not in operator, how if it has the column has the null values, we can understand how we can uh, use what approach we can use to get the proper result. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Please keep my watch my videos.